CSR is actually concentrating on immune boosting vaccines. If the results are encouraging, we'll increase the number of patients. CSR has designed a 5-pronged strategy on COVID as an overall strategy. Vaccine comes in our third step. There's the drugs and vaccine things. And what CSR is doing is CSR is actually concentrating on immune boosting vaccines, in which we are going to try a strain of a bacterium called MW. It's a Mycobacterium species, and MW, it's an immune boosting Mycobacterium. And it's already being used as a vaccine against leprosy in many parts of the country. There's a large pharmaceutical which makes it, and CSR and this company together have taken approval of DCGI to test it as a vaccine, potential vaccine for corona. Immediate action for vaccine, of course, is to undertake the trials. We have taken, as I said, DCGI approval. We have tied up with hospitals, and hospitals are in the process of recruiting patients. So the results will be out in a couple of months from now. At that time, if the results are encouraging, we'll increase the number of patients. There are 2 rapid testing kits, very exciting development that have happened in the last 48 hours. There is one rapid testing kit which has been developed by the Sri Chitra Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology in Thiruvananthapuram, and they have developed what is called as the RT lamp. That kit would take matter of few minutes, once again about half an hour, to test somebody positive or negative. That's also very reliable. The kit that CSR Institute in Delhi, the Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, they have developed is a paper-based kit, and that uses the CRISPR-Cas enzyme system. That also takes matter of 30 minutes. Both these kits are quite accurate. So I think we have exciting time ahead as far as the diagnosis is concerned.